Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the headphones and source. Plug in a charger and give them 15-30 minutes so the battery initializes. This avoids early shutdowns. While charging, locate the power button, pairing button, and any LEDs so you know the controls. Make sure your phone, laptop, or dongle supports the headphone codec. This matters for latency and sound quality. Once charged and you've checked compatibility, power them on and move to pairing. Don't skip the LED cues, they tell you mode and errors. You now pair and configure for the best audio. If using Bluetooth, enable it on your source and put the headphones into pairing mode by holding the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals discoverability. If using wired mode, insert the 3.5 or USB cable and set the source to the correct output. Once your device appears on the screen, select it and check the codec or audio settings so you get low latency and full frequency response. You finish by fitting and testing to confirm everything works. Adjust ear cups and headband until you have a secure seal. A proper fit improves bass and passive isolation. Play a familiar track to test left-right balance, ANC, transparency, and microphone function. Once satisfied, open any companion app to set EQ, shortcuts, and firmware updates. If something goes wrong, reset the headset by holding Power Plus pairing for 10 seconds, then repair. This clears cached errors and usually resolves connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.